Hello, in this lecture I defined one model for permission and say PHP artisan make model and say per mission. Okay, and create on permission and close this and open app model and permission model. Okay, define a label and name and label. Okay, and I define it in permission and I define it new permission. Insert for example create user and save just create user and edit edit user edit user. Okay, and use C and create insert new update or say remove user and say delete user. Okay, just in open Udemy and in permission user I added insert and use create user for user ID 2 and create edit user for user ID 2 and go, and in this permission user it is create. Okay, in this permission I defined access to user. I say just pop function users for return $this just say belongs to many and use user class Okay, in user table we can define this pop function per missions and say return $this belong to many access to permissions class and close this. Okay, for check this work we can use of home page. I copy this and open road and home, and in this we define it we access to user with $user and find user, remove this user in model and use find just user ID 2 find user ID 2 and return $user foresee this user refresh and ID to admin 1 staff 0 and this. Okay, it is back and use permission in users for get permissions. Okay, use permissions and use get method. and this. If refresh this, permission 1 and 2, create user and edit user for this user. Okay, in user model I define new method with pub function and public function, and name has permissions. Okay, name permissions and get dollar permission for check this permission. I say return dollar this and access permissions, and we can use of these permissions and contains method, and we can use of a name and dollar permission, say name. Okay, and use of this we get permission for check this permission. Open the provider, close all, and open app provider and auth service provider for limit just user access to permission. User access with this permission I define it for user. I say for each and get permission all. Okay, as dollar permission. I use of gate for this gate and define dollar permission. I say that user dollar permission name. Okay, dollar permission name and function get dollar user and use of dollar permission. Okay, and in this open this and close this. Just in this return check this function has permission. Use of this dollar user check has permission, just access dollar permission has permission, and close this. If refresh in this redirect to login page. Okay, I login with Google and open admins and access this admin page. Okay, in in other lecture I say how to limit this and just access we define it user.